Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Hyundai Venue. It comes equipped with a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wired connection, heated seats, heated steering wheel, roof rails as well, Hyundai Bluelink, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors. You're going to have your cup holder and paneling storage on the bottom equipped with the speakers. It'll come up here to the power windows, power locks, and power mirrors with speakers right by the handle as well. Both the seats, you're going to have the cloth and leather finish, both heated and manually adjustable, very comfortable. Left side, you're going to have your vents, and the left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your odometer lighting control and your lane keep assist, as well as your traction control. Left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your volume and radio controls, as well as your voice recognition. The right side is your odometer cluster control and your cruise control. So with the odometer, pretty much access from your fuel economy, kilometer info, as well as we move on here, you're going to have your drive assistance as well as your attention level, and then other settings as well. Just going to have the classic push to start. You're going to have your climate control here as well, and up top onto the infotainment system. Now you're going to have this touchscreen with built-in navigation as well, phone protection and Bluetooth connectivity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available once connected to your phone. You can have valet mode as well as HD radio data, sounds of nature, again with pretty much all new Hyundais. Rainy day, Air Cafe, warm fireplace, snowy village. That's pretty much it. If you go across here again, you're gonna have Hyundai Bluelink, and that's pretty much all it consists of. 2 USB ports and a 12-volt DC port. A little extra storage. You're going to have your shifter as well as your heated seats, heated steering wheel, and your drive mode selector. Center console with extra storage. Passenger side, same finish. You're going to have that cool new design. Go across, you're going to have your vents as well, some extra storage. And up top, you can access your OnStar services, your SOS, and as well as your powered sunroof. You're going to have these 16-inch steel wheels, the new wheels coming in a week, with paint match mirror caps and keyless entry door handles. Luggage rack up top, deep tint rear glass. There's have the venue badging. Open up the back, you're going to have foldable rear seating as well. Extra little hooks as well. You can add a splitter if you'd like, and extra wheel well storage and tools if you know how to change a tire. It's a very spacious room. And moving into the rear, you're going to have speakers in the bottom again, cup holder storage. They'll come up here to the power windows. As we hop in, just storage behind the passenger side, nothing in the center, unfortunately. No cup holder and armrest as well. You're going to have lamps up top and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. If you checked out this 2022 Hyundai Venue, equipped with a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, lane keep assist, as well as sounds of nature, Hyundai Bluelink, navigation, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.